Tips for hosting a guest speaker and sharing lecture materials on iLearn by Ting Su at San Francisco State University, viprogram.sfsu.edu. This is the special populations class. So in this week, I had a guest lecture. So I always like to put a picture of the guest lecture up there so students kind of have an idea who's going to pop on. There's contact information for the guest lecture, and these are two websites that were shared by the guest lecturer in advance because he's going to be talking from these resources. So right up top, I usually have a link to the lecture slides, and sometimes I'll post them in advance of class for students to have before class. Other times I'll make it visible after class, like if I want the students to really pay attention, or if I'm doing like a pop quiz format through the slides and I don't want them to have the notes in front of them, then I'll hide it and then make it visible afterwards. As far as like the confidentiality stuff, if I have slides with a lot of student photos, I will actually make a different version for posting on iLearn that is stripped with no photos. So that way I don't have to worry about getting permission forms for all of those photos because I don't want the students to have their own copy of it, and I don't give it to them. Whoopsies, sorry for cutting that a little bit short, but in case anybody is wondering how to do an in-class breakout activity on Zoom, that video is coming up next. Thanks for watching. Bye.